Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for your health, your kidneys. As we age, maintaining our health becomes increasingly important, and one of the most vital organs to care for is our kidneys. These incredible organs act as the body's natural filters, tirelessly working to cleanse our blood, balance fluids, and regulate essential minerals. However, as we grow older, our kidneys often face more strain due to factors like high blood pressure, diabetes, and the natural aging process. This strain can manifest in subtle symptoms such as fatigue, swelling in the legs, or changes in urination, signs that can easily be overlooked. But rather than simply managing these symptoms, it's crucial to address their root causes. By understanding the underlying issues and focusing on prevention, we can make a significant impact on our kidney health. Fortunately, one of the most effective ways to support our kidneys is through the foods we eat. In this video, we will explore 8 of the best foods that not only nourish your body but also help protect and even improve kidney function, empowering you to take control of your health and well-being. So, let's get started with the top 8 foods that can boost your kidney health. Number 1. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are very nutritious fruits, and they can help you in healing your kidneys in different ways. Firstly, they are naturally very high in water and have diuretic properties. This keeps your kidneys hydrated and increases urination. Increased urination can help your kidneys flush and remove excess fluid and waste buildup from the body, and will improve kidney functioning. Secondly, they are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene. These antioxidants can combat harmful free radicals, causing damage and act as protectors for your kidneys. They can also reduce inflammation naturally. As discussed before, oxidative stress and inflammation are often risk factors for kidneys, so by managing them, cucumber can help in healing your kidneys. Thirdly, cucumbers are very low in sodium, which is excellent for healing your kidneys and maintaining their health. This is because low sodium will not stress out your kidneys and it will lower your blood pressure. Blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidneys because it can damage blood vessels, reduce blood supply to kidneys, and damage nephrons, the filtering units of kidneys. Moreover, cucumbers have potassium, which can also help in regulating blood pressure. In this way, cucumber can help in improving kidney health. Cucumbers also have alkalizing properties and can help maintain the right pH in your body, which is vital for your kidneys to function effectively. Moreover, cucumbers are low in phosphorus and potassium, which makes them a kidney-friendly diet as these minerals will not stress your kidneys. You can eat them without concern. When it comes to how to incorporate cucumbers into your diet, add them to salads, enjoy them as a snack, or infuse them in water for a refreshing drink. Aim for at least 1 serving of a medium cucumber per day as part of a balanced diet. However, do not consume too many cucumbers along with high potassium foods like bananas or avocados, because it can lead to an imbalance in mineral levels, which could be problematic for those with kidney issues. Number 2. Cabbage. Cabbage is a green leafy vegetable enjoyed in many cuisines around the world. It's not only delicious, but also beneficial for health, particularly for kidney health. It is loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and sulforaphane. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation throughout your body, including the kidneys. This can heal damaged kidneys and even protect them from further damage. Cabbage is also rich in fiber, which can aid in digestion and help your kidneys remove excess waste and fluids. Moreover, cabbage is low in potassium, and this makes it a kidney-friendly diet, because impaired kidneys may struggle to remove excess potassium and become stressed. Moreover, potassium levels may exceed in the blood and cause many other health issues. So, cabbage is an excellent choice because it contains low levels of potassium. There are many easy and tasty ways to incorporate cabbage into your diet. It can be eaten raw in salads and slaws, fermented to make sauerkraut or kimchi, or cooked in soups, stews, and stir-fries. These various preparations make it simple to enjoy cabbage's health benefits regularly. To fulfill the recommended dosage, eat about half a cup of cabbage 5 days a week. However, be mindful of certain food combinations that can be harmful. Cabbage, when combined with high-sodium foods like processed meats or canned soups, can lead to increased blood pressure and negatively impact kidney health. So, pair cabbage with fresh, whole foods to maximize its health benefits. If you find this information useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive the best health tips. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are small fruits, but their benefits go far beyond their size. They are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give them their distinctive deep blue color. As mentioned before, antioxidants play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are leading causes of kidney damage. They also contain vitamin K, which can promote heart health and help in improving kidney health. This is because a healthy heart ensures smooth blood flow throughout the body, including the kidneys. This efficient circulation can help the kidneys filter out waste and harmful substances more effectively. Blueberries are also low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium. A half cup of blueberries contains less than 150 milligrams of potassium. This makes them a kidney-friendly diet, as these minerals will not stress your kidneys. Moreover, an 8-day study involving obese people at risk of heart issues found that consuming 2 ounces, 50 grams, of frozen dried blueberries reduced their BP by 4 to 6%. This reduction in BP is also good for the kidney, as high BP can damage kidneys and nephrons and is a risk factor for kidneys. Another remarkable benefit of blueberries is their potential to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs can lead to serious kidney infections if left untreated. The special compounds called proanthocyanidin in blueberries may prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the bladder, reducing the risk of UTIs. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with kidney issues, as it lowers the likelihood of additional complications. So, aim for 1 to 2 servings of fruit per day as part of a kidney-friendly diet. While blueberries are generally safe and beneficial, do not combine them with certain foods. For instance, mixing blueberries with dairy products like milk can sometimes reduce the effectiveness of the antioxidants in blueberries. Number 4. Olive oil. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenol. These antioxidants, like others, can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major factors in kidney damage. They can also protect your kidneys from further damage. Olive oil also has monounsaturated fats, which can reduce bad cholesterol and lower high blood pressure and can contribute to healthy kidney functioning. Moreover, it is also phosphorus-free and is a kidney-friendly food. When it comes to how much olive oil you should consume, it depends on your individual calorie needs and dietary restrictions. A general recommendation is to use olive oil in place of other fats, limiting total fat intake to 25 to 35% of daily calories. However, it is important to be mindful of combining olive oil with foods high in sodium or processed sugars, as this can counteract its health benefits and potentially harm the kidneys. High sodium intake can elevate blood pressure, while excessive sugar can lead to diabetes, both of which negatively impact kidney health. Number 5. Fish. Fish is an excellent source of high-quality protein. This protein can help in tissue repair throughout your body, including kidneys, and can support overall kidney health. So, when you eat fish, you're not just enjoying a tasty meal, but also supplying your kidneys with essential building blocks for optimal performance. Moreover, certain types of fish, such as salmon and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids act as a defense against inflammation, a major factor contributing to kidney damage over time. These omega-3s can also enhance blood flow, ensuring your kidneys can efficiently filter waste and perform their crucial functions. Moreover, another advantage of fish is its naturally low content of saturated fats. This makes it a heart-healthy choice that can indirectly benefit your kidneys. Eat 2 to 3 servings of oily fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines per week for improved kidney health. However, it's important to be aware of harmful food combinations with fish. For example, combining fish with foods high in oxalates, like spinach and beets, may increase the risk of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is a yellow spice widely used not only to enhance the flavor of food but also for its health benefits. The primary compound responsible for these benefits is curcumin, which gives turmeric its distinct color. Curcumin has antioxidant properties, particularly beneficial for maintaining kidney health because it can help combat inflammation and neutralize free radicals, providing significant protection to your kidneys. Studies also indicate that curcumin can support the health of blood vessels by reducing inflammation and oxidative damage in them. Healthy blood vessels are essential for regulating blood pressure and preventing blood clots, both of which are vital for kidney health. Moreover, curcumin can also reduce the amount of protein in the urine, a common indicator of kidney disease, thus contributing to better kidney function. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is simple and can make meals more flavorful. Add it to smoothies, soups, and curries. You can also create a delicious drink, known as golden milk, by mixing turmeric with milk, dairy or plant-based, and a bit of black pepper, which enhances the absorption of curcumin. For general kidney health, opt for 500 to 1,000 milligrams of turmeric per day. This equates to about 50 to 200 milligrams of curcumin per day. For those with chronic kidney disease, the dosage should be on the lower end, around 500 milligrams of turmeric per day, 50 to 100 milligrams of curcumin. Higher doses may potentially worsen kidney damage. Moreover, while turmeric is highly beneficial, it can be a bit problematic when combined with certain foods or medications. For example, combining turmeric with blood-thinning foods like garlic, ginger, and ginkgo biloba can increase the risk of bleeding. Therefore, it is best to use turmeric in moderation and consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. Number 7. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are not just delicious, but they also offer many health benefits, especially for kidney health. They are low in potassium, so they will not stress your kidneys, but are rich in vitamins A, C, and B6. These vitamins are essential for kidney health and are potent antioxidants that protect kidneys from oxidative damage. Red bell peppers are also a good source of dietary fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and aid in weight management. Moreover, their high content of lycopene can further support your kidneys by improving your heart health. Lycopene reduces blood pressure, which is a risk factor for kidney issues. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and phosphorus, which makes them an excellent choice for those with kidney disease. Moreover, they can also be added to any diet. You can roast, stir-fry, or stuff them, or eat them raw in salads. For optimum kidney health, try to eat 1 medium-sized red bell pepper per day. However, be cautious of combining red bell peppers with foods high in potassium or phosphorus, as this can negate the kidney-friendly benefits. For instance, dishes like baked beans, potatoes, and yogurt, while healthy in moderation, should not be eaten in large quantities along with red bell peppers. Number 8. Apples. Apples are rich in antioxidants, especially quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and can protect your kidneys from damage. Moreover, apples are a great source of fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which can help in removing excess cholesterol and sugar from the blood and promote kidney health. Apples are low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them a kidney-friendly food that won't stress the kidneys. Moreover, they can also reduce blood pressure, which is a risk factor for kidney issues, and they can reduce blood sugar spikes, which is also good for kidneys. You can eat 1 medium-sized apple daily to improve your kidney health. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to salads, or cook them into sauces and desserts. However, while apples are healthy, combining them with high-calorie, high-fat foods like caramel or peanut butter can diminish their health benefits. Instead, opt for healthier pairings like a slice of cheese or a handful of almonds. Taking care of your kidneys doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. By incorporating these 8 nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you're making a significant investment in your kidney health and overall well-being. These simple changes can have a profound impact, helping you feel more energetic and vibrant as you age. We hope this video has given you valuable insights and practical tips to enhance your health. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.